Welcome to Alpazel Kids. In this video we will color a picture of a hippopotamus or just hippo. This hippopotamus is in the water. First, let's color the plants that grow above the water green. Then choose blue for the watercolor. To maintain body temperature, hippos like to soak in water or mud. Tip of tail and nostrils, color with black. Now color the hippo's body. Choose a dark magenta color. This is a dark magenta. Hippos are excellent swimmers. They can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes. They can even sleep underwater because their bodies have an automatic system to surface and breathe without having to wake up. Now it's blue again, but light blue to color the bright sky. Fun facts about hippos. They can sweat blood, don't worry, it's not real blood. Hippos secrete a red fluid that acts as a natural sunscreen and moisturizer to protect their skin from sunburn. Super wide-mouthed hippos can open their mouths up to 150 degrees. That's wide enough to fit a small child inside, but don't try. Running faster than a human, don't be fooled by their stocky build. On land, hippos can run as fast as 30 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most humans can run at a full sprint. Close relatives of whales. Scientifically, the hippopotamus' closest relatives in the wild are not actually pigs or cows, but whales and dolphins. For the clouds, just leave them white. The coloring is complete. Here is the hippo soaking in the water.